Ever wondered how to accurately calculate your salary based on your office hours? Stay tuned as we uncover the secret formula. Many struggle with accurately tracking their work hours and calculating their salary accordingly. It often involves manual calculations and can be prone to errors. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll guide you through each step of process, from inputting your start and end dates to calculating your total work hours and determining your salary. You will learn valuable Excel skills along the way, making you more efficient and productive in your work. With our method, you will no longer have to rely on guesswork or manual calculations. Instead, you will have a reliable system in place to accurately track your office hours and ensure you are compensated fairly for your time. So, if you are ready to simplify your salary calculations and unlock your earning potential, don't miss out on this transformative video. So we have a chart like this that was automatically loaded into our Excel file. And here in the second and third column we have the start and end times of the office. And we need to calculate how many hours an employee has worked and how much paycheck they are going to get for their hours worked. How to do this quickly and without errors? To do this, you need to enter the following formula here. Equal D3 minus C3 multiplied on 24. Go to the number category and choose here number. Now you can calculate salary. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and tips to excel in your professional and personal life. Let's make every hour count.